Welcome to Dr. SH YouTube channel, my dear friends. Today is 11th National Voters Day, that is on 25th January. The Election Commission of India is celebrating this 11th National Voters Day, that is on 25th. The slogan for this year is making our voters empowered, vigilant, safe and informed. See how beautiful is the slogan, but we are not at all practicing these slogan or anything which is really possible in the elections. That is why I just wanted to bring before you this particular video in English. So our President Ramnath Kovind is going to address the nation on this particular day. So Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad also will participate in this function on 25th January. So making our voters empowered, vigilant, safe and informed. Really nothing is happening. We are having a problematic election system wherein money is taking a major role in this particular elections and election system. So National Voters Day, definitely we have to create awareness amongst the voters, because a politician or a leader and the common citizens, everybody is a voter. Politician also or the leader also has to vote. So in the democracy, biggest democracy, one of the biggest democracies in the world, Indian democracy is facing lots of problems because of the corruption in the political system and the elections. So this day is dedicated to the voters of the country, to spread awareness among the voters and for promoting the informed participation in the electoral process. So main theme is new voters have to be enrolled, because by the time the citizen reaches 18 years, they'll get the power of voting. So this is a powerful weapon in their hands. So they should get enrolled in the voters list, and they should be ready to vote for a good people and for good governance. So this is what Nation Awards for the best electoral practice also will be given on this particular day. Now we are passing through the COVID-19 pandemic, so there is a lot of problems in conducting the elections throughout the nation and throughout the globe also. So, but the very idea of bringing this video is to discuss our electoral system. That is, the most of the politicians spending lot of millions and millions of rupees during the elections. It is nothing but sowing the seeds of corruption. They spend in the elections, they bribe you, and they would like to earn this money in turn after they win the elections. That is what is happening. That means that they have already, the politics and politicians foundation itself has become corrupt. So it is preventing the righteous people to enter into the politics, as we already entered an immoral vicious circle. So we already entered an immoral vicious circle in this way. That means that everything has become a corrupted practice in the country because of this corrupt politics and elections. So causing deep-rooted corruption, which is disturbing the good, honest and ethical people, eating away the rights of the citizens. Violence and crime is growing with it. Unethical money destroying the harmony, nature and progressive development of the nation. So many problems are happening, and the impact of corruption in the politics and in the elections has got immense dirty effect on the whole of the development of the nation. So save democracy by voting to clean politics and clean politicians. Politics should be given prime importance only during the elections, and after the elections all parties should work together for the welfare of the common man and for the development of the India, irrespective of the caste, creed, color, gender, party or region. So with this message, I would like to thank you all for your patience listening. So we should vote for clean politics on this particular Voters Day, that is January 25th. Thank you, my dear friends.